In this video, let's see how to log activities in the customer portal. Click on the profile icon in the navigation bar. Select Activities from the drop-down menu. Choose an enrollee from the list of enrollees, then click on the Activity drop-down. Here you will see the available activities that customers can post. These will be different depending on your organization. Click on an activity to post it. In this example, we'll choose Health Information. When posting an activity, it is required to select a class. Click on Select Class. Choose the class associated with the activity. Or if the activity is not associated with any specific class, just choose any class. This activity requires specific information. Fill in whatever fields you need to. Click the Post button to post the activity. You'll see the posts in chronological order on the timeline.